we have leftover concepts. Okay, before we start the, um, I mean, product costing. Okay, so I have to give you the configurations like internal order configurations, how the internal orders will be worked. Okay, we will going to see it in today's class. And before that, profit centers are very, very important, right? Okay, I love you. So what is the last configuration step? 27 or 26. Now, all of you, I need to tell you one thing. The first important point is that statistical document number in SAP S/4HANA. Try to write down, ma'am. It is not configuration, all of you. It is just a verification purpose of whatever the documents that we have generated in that particular controlling, CO through FI, FI through CO and all. So we can able to see those statistical document numbers in SAP S/4HANA using transaction code KSB5. Statistical document numbers in SAP S/4HANA. Statistical document numbers in SAP S/4HANA using transaction code KSB5. Using transaction code KSB5. Okay, good. So what we need to do is go to the SAP S/4HANA system and search it with KSB5. See, all of you, you have the controlling area. What is the controlling area? MAL2. So what is the document number? Okay, what is the document number that you have? Whatever the document number that you have, based on the controlling area, you can able to find out. Okay, go to the, you must make an entry. Okay, so remove it, go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Okay, it is asking for the document number also. So go to the selection options. Go to the selection options. Single value greater than or less than. Okay, remove it. Go to the document number drop down option. Controlling area is MEL2. And can you take out the period? Period is 1. Fiscal year is 2024. Go to the continue option. Okay, I love you. See, you have posted a number of things. CO through postings. Okay, repost of costs, repost of CO line items, actual overhead assessments and all. Okay, you have posted different types of things. Okay, when it comes to the 24/04/2024, we have posted one document yesterday only. Okay, if you want to see the CO through postings from FIBK is nothing but the MEL2, that is controlling area. You do one thing, select this A000040D00. Select that one and go to the continue option, or else select that one, mom. Double click on it. Double click on it. Okay, now what we need to do is go to the execute option. See, all of you. So this expand this one, ma'am. Here small box is there, right? Expand that one. So here this HR common. Okay, what about the expenses that we have generated? We have generated with a 10 lakh rupee, right? So the CO document has been generated. Double click on it now. Double click on HR common. Anything you can HR come or else come back. So it is just giving the okay. This is the cost document, right? Yeah, come back. One step back. Yeah. Yes. And take out the document number. So you can able to see any document number, all of you. That is your choice. Go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option and take out the from period is 1 and fiscal year is 2024. Continue and take out this reposters of CO line items 2000 anything. Double click on this one. Go to the execute option. I see you can able to see the documents lists and all of you. OK, so this is the way you can able to see. Go to the document. Go to the document. Go up. There is a document details. Go up. There is a document details. So here you can able to see it, all of you. OK, so we have allocated right from one cost center to the another cost centers. So this is the way you can able to see the document details using transaction code case B5. You got my point, right? So I mean, this is just one way of searching for the documents and all with the help of controlling. So these are the very important. OK. OK, good. I mean, if they ask you any questions on that thing, so try to give the details. OK, all of you. Now, OK. Yeah. OK, all of you. So go to the Word document, ma'am. We will start the profit center standard hierarchy and all. Already we have noted each and everything, right? All of you. So profit center accounting, we have created the profit center standard hierarchy and we have created the profit centers and we have created the profit center groups also. OK, now we will test the profit center accounting for your sake of reference only. I'm just giving you the details. OK, so how the profit centers will be happened. I mean, how the profit centers will be executed and all, and what is the exact profit center reporting and all. And we need to know it. OK, so do we have profit center points and all? So go to the control F, just give profit center or else go up. Or else go up. We can able to see it. Yeah. So here profit center standard hierarchy, profit center group and profit centers are there. OK, creation of the profit centers. Okay, 51 is there. OK, drag it to the downside now. Drag it to the downside. So make one one topic point that is a profit center standard hierarchy. Profit center standard hierarchy. Profit center standard hierarchy. Standard STANDARD. Make this one as a bold one now. Standard STANDARD. Just write down first point. All of you, you don't know about the if it is a new GL, all of you, and we should deactivate the we should remove the profit center accounting for that particular controlling area. OK, that is the most important point that we have. The first 28th configuration step is 28th. 28 is activate profit center accounting. Activate profit center accounting. If the profit center accounting is not activated based on your controlling area, okay, all of you. So we will see the thing. Activate profit center accounting by adding PCA scenario. Profit center accounting scenario. Activate profit center accounting by adding PCA scenario. By adding PCA scenario. So I will just give you the path. So based on that path, we will going to see whether this profit center accounting is activated based on our controlling area or not. If that controlling area is not having that PCA, okay, PCA scenario, then what will happen, all of you, when it comes to the new GL? So you cannot have, I mean, old GL concept in the SAP S/4HANA. We do have the new GL concept for the SAP S/4HANA. Okay, you know it very well. So that's why we no need to take any profit center accounting for that particular controlling area. So I will show you one thing. So go to the navigation path. Go to the navigation path. Yeah, give me 1 second. And before that, all of you, I need to tell you one thing. When it comes to the profit center accounting, okay, so uh, in ECC, there are several tools available to report and plan profitability. And profit center accounting basically is a tool, okay, used for management reporting only. Okay, profit center accounting is a tool that is used for the management reporting only. It provides financial statement in dimension other than company code. Okay, it provides some of the functionalities. What are those functionalities? Profit centers are used in SAP to represent areas within the organization that are responsible for revenues and costs. You got my point? So I repeat once again. Profit centers are used in SAP to represent areas within the organization that are responsible for revenues and costs. First of all, then within profit center accounting, business can achieve a full profit and loss statement by profit centers. Okay. And when it comes to the SAP S/4HANA, all of you, we need to see whether this profit center scenario is activated or not for that particular thing. Okay, I mean in SAP S/4HANA. In ACC, if you have the old GL concept and all, you no need to have anything. But before we see the activation of the particular profit center, okay, and we need to have the key concepts, all of you. I mean, key concepts is nothing but the key points. See, basically profit center postings are always statistical in nature. Okay, so then profit center are not a real cost objects. Try to remember this point. Profit center postings are always statistical in nature. Profit centers are not real cost objects. Whatever the cost objects that you have seen in the cost center accounting. Okay, so we have done somewhat configurations, right? So those all are real cost objects. So the profit center is not a real cost objects. So try to remember that point. So profit centers can be assigned to cost centers. Okay, and internal orders, and as well as the master material masters and all. Okay, that is very, very important. And every profit center belongs to standard hierarchy. Okay, so you have the standard hierarchy using transaction code KCH5N. Okay, in that you can able to see the profit centers that belongs to the standard hierarchy. And profit center accounting is always periodic accounting, all of you. Okay, so in new GL profit center accounting, there is no dummy profit center. Just I mean, remember this point. In new GL profit center accounting, okay, there is no dummy profit center. Try to remember. Okay, in SAP S4 HANA also there is no any dummy profit centers. So they will going to ask you the question. So do we have any dummy profit centers and all? So definitely they will have this question in that particular thing. Okay, so try to remember the point, and if you are not getting the point and all, so just I'll see the things once again. Okay, so that is very, very important when it comes to this thing. And what we need to do is yeah, so our first point is we need to activate that particular scenario based on the new GL concept with the help of ledgers. Okay, now what we need to do is yeah, go to the financial accounting new. Go to the financial accounting new. And financial accounting global settings new. Financial accounting global settings new. And the next one is ledgers. Ledgers. The next one is ledger. Then assign scenarios and customer fields are there, right? You don't have assigned scenarios, huh? Define settings for the ledgers and currency types and the fiscal years and parallel accounting and all. Okay, no worries. If you don't have anything in all, I will share that particular thing. Okay, and some of the, I mean, the demo system, right? It will not be there. Okay, no issue. So we will go by next step. What is the next step, all of you here? Okay, all of you. So we need to deactivate the profit center accounting in classic GL. Okay, using transaction code OKKP. So go to the next configuration step. Deactivate. 29th step is deactivate. Deactivate profit center accounting in classic GL. Deactivate profit center accounting in classic GL. Deactivate profit center accounting in classic GL using transaction code OKKP. Profit center accounting in classic GL. In classic GL. In classic GL using transaction code OKKP. Using transaction code OKKP. So see, all of you, from ECC point of view, I'm saying, okay, so if it is SAP S/4HANA, you don't need to deactivate anything, so automatically it will going to happen. Now I will show you how you can able to remove the things. So if you are having any tick marks on the profit center accounting and all, again go to the transaction code OKKP. Go to the transaction code OKKP. Go to the transaction code OKKP. Yeah. All right, so go to the position and give your controlling area. Sorry. Okay, MAL2 and select this MAL2 and go to the activate components or control. Okay, so here you have a profit analysis and all. Okay, drag it to the downside now. Drag it to the downside. So projects are there. And go up. Order management is activated and projects are activated. Sales objects are activated. And profit analysis is there. Okay, no issue. So this is the SAP S/4HANA, right? Automatically it will be updated. Okay, give /n. Okay, in SAP S/4HANA, all of you, sorry, in SAP ECC, so you do have the profit analysis. In that profit analysis, you can just, deactivate that one. Why? Because that is the new GL, right? So that's why you no need to have anything. Okay, so like profit center accounting will be there. Okay, you just need to deactivate that one and you can able to see it. Okay, no worries. Then our next configuration step is to maintain controlling area settings for profit center using transaction code. Yeah, maintain controlling area settings for profit center. Maintain controlling area settings for profit center using transaction code. OKE5. Using transaction code. Maintain controlling area settings for profit center using transaction code OKE5. Go to the transaction code OKE5. Go to the transaction code OKE5. Click on the enter. Okay, right up. So go to the master data one. Go to the master data one. So you can able to maintain different types of controlling area settings based on the profit center accounting and all. Okay, that is a very important. No. 0K E5. This is controlling settings for the transport and all. 0K E5. 0K E5. That's it. Okay. We have already maintained that particular standard hierarchy. Okay, using a transaction code KCH5N. Okay, so MAL2PC SH. Okay, all of you. So profit center local currency is controlling area currency. So controlling area currency is nothing but the what all of you company code currency is equal to controlling area currency, right? So that is company code currency. Okay, so for this year 2024, we have activated this indicator and it is in a legal valuation views only. Okay, all of you. So this is the way you can able to search for the profit center accounting, that is 0K E5. Okay, yeah, so this profit center standard hierarchy has been set up. Now go to this thing, ma'am, Word document, and try to write down next configuration is profit center standard hierarchy. Profit center standard hierarchy using transaction code. Profit center standard hierarchy. Profit center standard hierarchy using transaction code KCH5N. Profit center standard hierarchy using transaction code KCH5N. Okay. Profit center standard hierarchy using transaction code KCH5N. KCH5N. Profit center standard hierarchy. Profit center standard hierarchy. Go to the transaction code KCH5N. You can able to see the whatever the standard hierarchy that we have created, and you can able to see it all of you. KCH5N. So in the transaction code OKEON, so you can able to see the cost center standard hierarchy. Under this cost center standard hierarchy, you can able to have the cost center groups. Under this cost center groups, you can able to have the cost centers. Okay, so similarly, when it comes to the profit center standard hierarchy, so you have the profit center standard hierarchy. You can just see all of you. In this profit center standard hierarchy, so you can able to see the laptops is the one standard profit center group, and mobiles is the one profit center standard group. Okay, in that profit center group, we can able to have the profit centers also. Okay, so open this one. We have already created the profit centers. Okay, so this is the profit center that we have created for that particular laptops, and the mobiles also we have created the one profit centers and all. Okay, so this is the way you can able to do it all of you. So that is the most important point right now. We have now what we need to do is can we have, okay, no issue. So with the help of these profit centers and all, we can able to post somewhat transactions. Okay, in FB60, FB70, anything. Okay, I will show you how it will be happened. All right. Then next one is create profit center group. Next configuration step is 32. Create profit center group. 32. Create profit center group. Create profit center group using transaction code KCH1, and you can able to use the transaction code, change profit center using transaction code KCH2. Change profit center group using transaction code KCH2. Change profit center group using transaction code KCH2. Go to the transaction code KCH2. Go to the transaction code KCH2. In SAP system, go to the transaction code KCH2. Whatever the standard profit center groups that we have created, it will be reflected in this thing. So this is the profit center group. This is the controlling area. Click on the go to the overview option. Here there is a tree option. Is that right? Hierarchy. Go to the hierarchy. So this is the way you can able to do it, all of you. And open this laptop's small box. Open this mobiles. Open this mobiles. So you can able to see these profit centers that we have created, all of you. Okay. So this is the way you can able to do it. Then next step. Next one. Go to the see, we have already created each and everything in the first class only, all of you. That's why I'm just giving you the overview of profit center groups and all, and profit centers standard hierarchy. Now 34th step is create profit center using transaction code KE51. Create profit center using transaction code. Create profit center using transaction code KE51. 35th step is change profit center using transaction code KE52. Okay, yeah, change profit center using transaction code KE52. Change profit center using transaction code KE52. Yeah, go to the SAP system and try to go to the transaction code KE52. Go to the transaction code KE52. Take out any profit center. Yeah, go to the drop down option. Continue. Whatever the profit center that you have, suppose we have common profit center is there, laptops profit center is there, mobiles profit center is there. Take out profit center, click on the enter. Here you can just see name is the common PC and long text we have already created, right? Person responsible, profit center groups and all. Okay, so this profit center should be assigned to your cost center. Okay, so profit center is used for the reporting purposes only. So that is very, very important when it comes to the profit center. Okay, so to see the cost centers and all, this common profit center is assigned or not, we can able to use the transaction code KS02, right? All of you, KS01 is for the creation of the cost centers, KS02 is for the changing of the cost centers and all. So let me show you one thing. You have already knew it. Go to the transaction code KS02. For your identification purpose only. Okay, so take out the any cost center, admin common is there, right? Click on the enter. See here, we have assigned the profit center that is common PC. Okay, so this is the way you can able to see it. The next one. next one is uh, okay, so profit center assignment monitor. Yeah, profit center assignment monitor. So these all are the very important transaction codes, all of you. In interview point of view, they will just ask you these questions, how the profit center monitoring group will be happened. So profit center assignment monitor is 1KE4 using transaction code 1KE4 using transaction code 1KE4. Okay. What we need to do is go to the transaction code 1KE4, ma'am. Go to the transaction code 1KE4. I will show you one thing, all of you. So in the 1KE4 transaction codes, profit center accounting assignments, see all of you, you have assigned the profit centers, okay, to the internal orders or to the business process or to the cost centers or to the cost objects or to the materials, work breakdown structures and sales order assignments and real estate objects and all. Have you assigned any profit center to this thing? So you can able to know it. Okay, now what we need to do is select this cost center and go to the execute option. See, cost center category will be there, all of you. So select the cost center category, go to the execute option. What is the cost center category that we have assigned? You do one thing, remove it, go to the new screen and take out the case 02 transaction code. Go to the case 02 transaction code. In that case 02 transaction code, click on the enter. So what is the cost center category that we have, all of you? Administration, right? So go back to the screen and take out the cost center category is W. Take out the cost center category is a W. Yes, go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. So see, all of you, whatever the cost center that you have, profit center that you have assigned for these things, automatically this will be appeared. Okay, that means all of you, this will show you whatever the profit centers that you have not assigned to the particular cost center groups, automatically it will show you in the thing. Okay. So you have assigned to the what? Go to the case 02. Go to the case 02 screen. So you have assigned this cost center is admin common. Okay. So come back to this thing. Come back to this thing. No. Here in this screen. 1K E5. Here, all of you, you can just see admin common is there, all of you. So here, number of non-assigned cost centers is 0 and total number of displayed cost centers are 3. Okay, so based on this thing, W, whatever the things that we have assigned, so it will be shown here in the monitor things. Okay, so number of non-assigned cost centers is 0. You can able to see it with cost centers and all with the help of allocations things and all. What is the valid from things and 2 periods also you can able to see it. Okay. So this is the assignment categories and all with the help of green color status. Okay, so this is the way you can able to see whether the cost centers, profit centers has been assigned to the particular cost centers and all. If it is not assigned, definitely it will going to show you the number of non-assigned cost centers. Okay, if it is a 1, it will going to show you 1. If it is a 2, it is 2. So we have assigned all these things, right? So that's why it is giving you the proper profit center assignments and all. Okay. So what we need to do is, yeah, give slash in, no issue. Give slash in. Then next one is assign default profit center using transaction code OKB9. Assign default profit centers using transaction code OKB9. Assign default profit centers using transaction code OKB9. Assign default profit centers using transaction code OKB9. Using transaction code OKB9. Using transaction code OKB9. Go to the transaction code OKB9. Do it fast. Go to the transaction code OKB9. See all of you. So go to the position, take out your company code. Go to the position and take out your company code. Yeah. So you don't have any default account assignments in all of you. For that particular cost centers, all of you, I mean, cost element will be there, right? If this is the one scenario, all of you, in the OKB9 transaction code, whenever you are posting the FB60, FB50, FB70 invoices and all, automatically you are taking the cost element. Okay, what is the cost element that we have? Suppose stationary expenses that we have, electricity expenses that we have, travel expenses that we have. So for that particular cost element, with the help of company code, you do have the cost center. For that particular cost center, you can able to assign the internal order, you can able to assign the profit center. You got my point, right, all of you? So now what we need to do is go to the new entries. Before that, go to the transaction code FS00. In that FS00, you can able to find out the stationary expenses, cost elements, and profit center. Sorry, travel expenses, cost elements, and electricity expenses, cost elements, and all. Open that particular thing. So this is the secondary cost element that is not at all important. Secondary cost element is for the reporting purposes. Open that cash group. Sorry, not the cash group. Other income, other expenses. Yes, in that other expenses, stationary expenses is there, right? So double click on stationary expenses. Go to the control data. In that control data, what is the cost element category that we have assigned? Drag it to the downside. So primary cost element. So this is one primary cost element, all of you. So this is the stationary expenses that we have. Okay, then what we need to do is come back to this transaction code. So give your company code. Give your company code and take out the cost element. Take out the cost element. Stationary expenses is there. Yes. And the cost center, take out the cost center. And what is the cost center? Admin cost center is there. Common cost center is there. So can we take out the admin cost center? Yeah, take out the admin cost center. And take out the profit center is also common profit center. Profit center is common profit center. So order is nothing but the internal orders. Okay. So click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Profit center segment is only allowed for revenue elements. Okay. Okay, what we need to do is remove this cost center. Remove this cost center. We can able to have the one thing. Remove the profit center also. In that account control, A is there, right? After profit center. After profit center, A is there, right? Go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option. In the account assignment detail, it is asking for the valuation area is mandatory and business area is mandatory and profit center is mandatory. What we need to do is take out the third one. Take out the third one. Yes. So click on the enter. Click on the enter. See all of you. For this particular cost element, profit center is mandatory. Okay, so you can able to give like this, all of you. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Yeah, continue. Now assign the profit center here. Assign the profit center. Assign the profit center. Go to the continue option and take out the common profit center. Yeah, go to the save button and save it. And it is asking for the profit center assignment is only allowed for the revenue elements. Okay. Okay, remove it. Remove it. Remove the profit center. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Select this one and go to the detailed business area. Go to the detailed business area or valuation areas. Change the rule for the detailed account assignment first. Okay, it is asking for the, okay, go to the, it is asking for the business areas and all. Account assignment rule is different, all of you. So go to the account assignment rule, ma'am. So you have assigned the third rule, right? No. Here, after profit center, you have assigned the third rule, right? Go to the drop down option. So based on these categories and all of you, like valuation area is mandatory, business area is mandatory, you can go for the next option. So that is the most. So we have taken the profit center is mandatory. So remove it, and go to the detailed per profit center. Go to the detailed per profit center. Detailed per profit center. So it is not asking for anything. So take out the account assignment category is 3. So for this 3, profit center is here. Give the profit center common. Here give the profit center is common. This is in a gray out mode. Go to the save button and save it. Profit center assignment is only allowed for the revenue elements. Okay, it is asking for the sales revenue elements and all. Okay, what we need to do is remove this thing. Remove this thing. Cancel that one. Cancel that transaction. So we will use all these elements. So that's why it is just asking for the, okay, come back, one step back. We just make this one as a profit center is mandatory, account assignment detail mandatory is there for that particular cost elements and all. Okay, so you no need to worry. So we have just made default account assignments and all. So I will going to show you one thing when it comes to the FB60 and FB70 invoices and all. Okay, so that is very important. Basically, when it comes to the real time for that particular company code, with the help of primary cost element, we can able to have the account assignment control. That is valuation area is mandatory and all. Okay, so now valuation we haven't have the valuation areas and all, right? I will show you one thing, ma'am. Do you know? Do you have valuation areas for that particular MEL2? We have created the valuation areas, right, for that foreign currency revaluations and all. for that particular company code. What we need to do is go to the default account assignment category in that particular screen only. Go to the default account assignment. Go to the position and just take out the MAL2. Go to the position, just take out the MAL2. Continue. And give the account assignment is 1. Account assignment is 1. Valuation area is mandatory. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, so select this one and go to the detailed per business area. Detailed per business area or valuation area. Here, go to the new entries. Based on this new valuation area, all of you, we can able to enter the profit center. What we need to do is I mean, for that particular plant, we need to have the valuation area. Okay, so go to the transaction code OX14. You can able to create the valuation area directly. I mean, so I'm giving you the complete information based on the plant real time, all of you. Okay, so go to the transaction code OX15. No, sorry, OX14. So valuation level is at plant level. And valuation area is at company code level. Take out the valuation area is at company code level. Valuation level cannot be maintained. Okay. What we need to do is ma'am, do you have foreign currency revaluation document? We have created the valuation area. Can you open the foreign currency revaluation document in your files? Open the foreign currency revaluation. You have foreign currency evaluation. So in that we have a valuation area. I think so. What document only we have? What document? Not the notepad. You haven't done foreign currency evaluation, huh? Do you remember your business area? So here we have valuation area. We have set up as mandatory, right? Okay, you do one thing. Go to the SPRO reference IMG. Go to the SPRO reference IMG. This we have done in ACC. Okay, right. Go to the SPRO reference IMG. I will tell you the path. SPR reference AMG. Enterprise structure. Definition. Logistics. General. Logistics is there. Logistics execution. Open the logistics execution. Come down. Why we are not having evaluation areas? Go up. Go up. Definitions under this logistics. General. Okay, go to the define valuation level. Define valuation level. It is showing the OX14 only. Click on the go up, ma'am. Go up. Valuation level cannot be maintained. Already defined. Why we haven't defined? Go to the valuation level. Okay, so you do one thing. Come back to that particular screen, and we will going to see it whether that valuation. Valuation level is nothing but the MAL2 only. I think so. Go to this screen. Here, take out the new entries in OKB9. Go to the valuation area. I mean, drop down it. MAL2. Give MAL2. Continue. Take out that MAL2. Then next, when it comes to the profit center, here profit center is there, right? So give the profit center. Give the profit center. You don't have a. You do one thing. Go back to this thing. Back. Sorry. Go to this profit centers. Any profit centers, ma'am. Like what is the profit center that we have? See. You have common profit center. Yes. Take out the common profit center. Okay. So go to the subheader and save it. Profit center segment is only allowed for the revenue elements. Okay, so I mean, basically, we need to have the segments. Okay, so that's why it is giving you the error. Okay, no worries. Remove this thing, cancel it. Cancel it. So it is not asking. Go to the default account assignments. Go to the default account assignments. Go to the position. Go to the position. Just remove this one. Remove this one. Make it as click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. All of you, for this cost element, we can able to enter cost center. We can able to enter profit center. Anything. Okay, so we can leave it like this. You do one thing. Yeah, give slash in. Give slash in. Now what we need to do is, all of you, we will try to post the go to the Word document, go to the configuration, next configuration step, post one vendor invoice. Post 38th step is post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice using transaction code FB60. 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 The next 39th step is post customer invoice. Post customer invoice using transaction code FB70. Post customer invoice using transaction code FB70. The next 48th step is profit center plan and actual line item report. Profit center plan and actual line item report. I will try to write down the S and score E8 underscore 980000 98000088. I think so. Go to the Skype ma'am and try to copy that report. And paste it in the document. So what we need to do is, all of you, we will try to post one important thing. And before that, have we assigned the electricity expenses? We need to pay the electricity expenses to the vendor also. Go to the transaction code KCH2 ma'am. Go to the transaction code KCH2. Sorry, KE52. KE52. K52. Remove the profits. Yeah, common profit center is there. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Yeah, common profit center is there. Yes, click on the enter. Okay, profit center group is okay, right? So go to the transaction code case 02 and take out the electricity expenses cost centers. Cost center is admin common. Double click on admin common. Click on the enter. Okay, right. So now what we need to do is give /n. Go to the transaction code FB60. Go to the transaction code FB60. Give the company code and take out the vendor. Any vendor. New. If you have new vendor, take out the new vendor. No issue. So take out the invoice date 25.04.2024 and here amount is 15,000. Anything 15,000 and text is electricity expenses. Electricity expenses. See, I'm just taking whatever the things that we have. Okay, all of you. So if you want to try with the new thing, so you can able to try with any the new cost elements. Okay, in the GL account, electricity expenses in the GL account, take out the electricity expenses account. In the GL account, take out the electricity expenses account. So the amount is 15,000. Amount is 15,000. Click on the enter. So it will going to ask you the account requires account assignment. So that is costing. Okay, drag it to the right side. Drag it to the right side. Here cost accounting will be there, all of you. Cost center is there, right? Yeah, take out the cost center. What is the cost center that you have? Admin common cost center. I'm just taking the example. Drag it to the right side and you can able to have okay, continue. What is the accounting group? MAD1. What is this, ma'am? Okay. So what is the new vendor? What is the new vendor that you have? Take out the new vendor now. So we have created the new vendor, right? Samsung we have created, huh? PH Tech also we have created, right? Take out the PH Tech. Yes. Now go to the invoice date. Amount. Why? Because those all are removed, right? So for your particular current group. Give the amount. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. It will ask you the cost center. Admin common. Yeah. Click on the enter. Now it is asking, right? Now it is not giving any error. Drag it to the right side and take out the profit center also. Drag it to the right side. Take out the profit center. See all of you. So common profit center has been allocated here. You got my point, right? So go to the simulate option. Automatically it will be happen, right? All of you. So based on this particular cost element, that is stationery expenses, electricity expenses, anything. Okay, so go to the double click on electricity expenses and take out, give the text. Give the text as electricity expenses. Electricity expenses. Yes. Come back, click on the enter, come back and go to the subheading and send it. All right. So this document has been posted. Go to the document display option. Go to the document, the display option. So in this document display option, drag it to the right side now. Drag it to the right side. So drag it to the right side. Why? So go to the general ledger view. Go to the general ledger view. Drag it to the right side. We don't have layouts, huh? Okay. So here take out the layout, ma'am. Here layout will be there. Choose layout. Yes. Choose layout. Okay, remove it. Choose layout. Choose layout. Continue. Continue. Drag to the right side, ma'am. And we need to see the cost centers and profit centers. Okay, go to the change layout. Choose layout. Standard is there, right? SAP standard. Select the SAP standard. Okay. Choose layout. Go to the choose layout. Change layout. Here, drag it to the downside, ma'am. Do we have cost centers and profit centers? Come down. Down. Take out the cost center and all. Take out the cost center. Then next also profit center. Profit center. Come down. Profit center will be there. Take out this profit center also. Yes, go to the continue option. Okay, right. So admin common is there and common profit center is there for the electricity expenses and all of you. Okay, so I will take out the screenshot. Okay, good. So now what we need to do is all of you, we will try to post the one more important thing. Let us post the customer invoice using transaction code FB70. Go to the transaction code FB70, ma'am. Go to the transaction code FB70. So take out the customer. B&W. That is a new customer only, right? Yeah. So take out the invoice date. Here we will not going to take any cost centers, all of you. Why? Because it is not related to the any allocations, right? I mean, it is not related to the cost objects, right? It is just related to the profits. Okay, why? Because this is related to the customers only, right? Text is sales revenue. Sales revenue. Text is sales revenue, and yeah, sales revenue, and GL account is, take out the GL account, that is sales account. No, sales account only. Take out that one and give the amount 20,000. Give the amount 20,000, and here assign the profit center also. Drag it to the right side. Assign to the profit center also. How? Yes. Drag to the right side. Assign the profit center. What is the profit center that you have? Common profit center. Admin common profit center you have. Yes. So click on the enter. Go to the simulate option. Yeah. Go to the save button and save it. Now go to the document simulate option. Document display option. In the document display option, choose layout. SAP standard. Take out the SAP standard. Continue. Go to the change layout. Change layout and take out the profit center. Take out the profit center. No. Cost center is not at all important. See, cost center is particularly related to the cost objects. What are those cost objects? Like raw material expenses, okay, and the stationery expenses, electricity expenses. We have number of expenses. Okay, so go to the continue option. Yeah. So I will take out the screenshot also, all of you. Okay, good. So the next one is so we will try to do the profit center plan and actual line item report using transaction code S_E38_98000088. That's it, right? Go to the Word document and copy that transaction code. Go to the SAP system and try to see the details. And you can able to have the path also, all of you. So you can go with the path or else go with the particular profit center plan or actual variances and all. Okay, so now what we need to do is currency type is, take out the company code currency. Currency type is company code currency, that is 10, and account number. Go to the drop down option. Take out that one. You can able to have the account number, that is sales account numbers and all. From account number to account number, you can able to do it. Or else remove the account number. No need to give the account numbers and all. So based on the profit centers, you can able to get the report also. Drag it to the downside. Drag it to the downside. Come down. Down. So ledger is 0L. Ledger is 0L. And plan version is 0. Plan version is 0, and fiscal year is 2024, and from period is 1, and to period is 12. Take a 12, no issue. Here in the profit center group or values, see all of you, common profit centers will be there. So based on your account assignments. Okay, all of you. So go to the execute option. Whatever the profits that we have. Um, no. 0L. 0 exists is not there. Huh? Go to the ledger. Go to the ledger. Yeah, take out this ledger. Now go to the execute option. No characteristics value 0 for existed character version due to compared. Okay, go up. Drag it to the downside. Drag it to the downside. Why it is not taking plan versions? So go to the plan version. Go to the plan version. Go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option. System cannot display problem. Okay, remove the plan version. Go to the execute option. Go to the execute option directly. No issue. So it is asking. So 0 gives 0. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. No characteristics values. Okay. Go to this. No characteristic value 0 exists for error. Okay, remove it. So it is asking for the values 0, 1 and all. Yeah, remove it. Plan and actual versions is 0, 1. The system cannot display those entries. For the profit centers also we have assigned the 0, 1 only, right? Plan versions. Take out the 0 only. Go to the execute option. So no characteristics value 0 exists. Why? Why it is not existed? Ma'am, take out the plan version 01. Go to the execute option. Yes, so it is taking the 01, all of you. Why? Because we have the plan and actual we have taken the 01, right? So that's why it is taking. Yeah, you can able to see it. So 15,000 is there. And when it comes to the assessment cost, electricity account and all, okay, so you have the profit center. Okay, so the variance is 1 lakh we have given, right? Okay, so allocations we have done it right based on the common profit centers and all. Here electricity expenses you have, that is for the 15,000 rupees, and the sales account you have, that is for the 20,000 rupees. So and at the same time, for that particular HR expenses cost centers, so you have given the 1 lakh rupee variances and all. Okay, we got the variances from the cost objects. So basically the total result will be, so you can able to see it, all of you. So 20,000 is there and 50,000 variance is there. So the total variance will be 15,000 rupees only. Why? Because we have already having the travel expenses, that is 20,000 we have allocated. Okay, so the rest of the thing is 15,000. So our profit is 15,000 rupees. Okay, so this is the way you can able to calculate with somewhat plan and actual variances. And if you want to see the particular things and all, so you can select the call-up report. So call-up report will be where we can see the call-up report. After the information only, you have the call-up report. No, ma'am. Here in the information, here in the, after that, you have call-up report. I think so. No. After the check option, you have the call-up report, right? Call-up report. Take out the call-up report. See, all of you. So you have the cost elements, actual plans and all, and plan accounts and all, GL account line item displays and all. So you can able to have the GL account line item display. So take out the GL account line item displays and you can able to see the things. Continue. Select that one, continue. So it will going to take out the call-up report, all of you. Okay. For that particular assessment allocations and all. Okay. So drag to the downside. So you have 20,000 rupees. So GL will going to take out all these things. Electricity expenses and all. Drag to the downside. So this is the way you can able to see it, all of you. So those all are existed. I mean, a report has been existed. So see, your profit balance is 15,000 rupees. You got my point, right? Though you have posted the 20,000 rupees, but you are having the result. Okay. That is 15,000 rupees is the profit center allocations. So this is the way you can able to call up the report for the profit center accounting also. You got my point, right, all of you? So do it. You can able to get it. See, for this 15,000, you have the assignment control, that is 20240,425. See, all of you, 20240,425. You got my point. Go up. I will show you the for the 20,000 rupees also. You can able to have the account assignment. See, all of you, for this particular 20,000 rupees. Okay, so what is the document that has been generated with the help of particular cost elements like commons and all? 20240,401. So assignments, so CO assignment allocations. You can able to have these things. Okay, so this is the way you can able to generate the report for the profit centers also. And if you are having the deep understanding of the particular things, and we will come to do the points of product costings also. You don't need to worry about this. So GL item, line item display. So for your sake of reference only, I'm just showing you the um, profit centers and reporting basis. Come back, one step back, one step back. So this is the way. All of you do have the variances. You don't have any variances, and all perfect variances you have. Okay, why? Because the total allocation has been done. So this is the way you can able to do it, all of you. Profit centers and all.